Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a blog to your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now I'm just going to go over into one of my blank pages, or it might not be blank. I'll just remove the contents. So let's say I want to add a blog, or rather I don't even need a blank page. I confused myself for a bit. What you're going to want to do is go either to main navigation if you want it linked at the top. As you can see, I already have a test blog over here, which I'm promptly going to go to. Or rather, I'm going to delete it, and I'll just confirm it, and it'll be permanently deleted within 30 days, so keep that in mind. But I'm going to add a new blog by clicking on the plus next to main navigation. Under connections, the first one is blog, so just click on that, and then select whichever type of blog you would like, or template. I'll select this one. I'll name it blog 2, because why not? And here you can see your blog overview, and you already have some placeholder posts. To add or remove them, click on blog content. Click on these boxes to select the placeholders and click delete, and I'll just delete all of them. And as you can see, I have no more. Now if I go to blog overview, it's empty. Blog content, it's empty. And to add any posts, you just click on this plus over here. You'll get a menu to enter the post title. I'll just name it title. Right here, I'll just title it right here. I'm going to make it look exactly the same. You can hover over publish in the top left. You can schedule a publishing or publish it fully. You can click save if you don't want to publish it yet, but I'm just going to publish it because why not? It doesn't really matter to me. And now we have our blog post. You can click these three dots, click on settings. You can set up content such as a featured image, options, SEO, whatever you want. You can set everything up. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.